Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the square icon or 3 bars icon, something like that. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that, and release the finger whenever you will see those apps. So here we've got our recents, and if you want, you can of course close only one of those apps, for example, or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't want to waste your time on turning them off manually, simply tap on close all. And as you can see, we've got this information. We can always enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.